Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where comfort meets innovation and productivity gets a serious upgrade. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the Marsail Ergonomic Office Chair, a chair built not just for work, but for your long-term comfort and health. If you spend hours at your desk every day, whether working, studying, or gaming, your chair is more than furniture, it's a crucial part of your performance. And that's exactly where the Marsail Office Chair stands out. Designed with a high back mesh and fully adjustable lumbar support, it keeps your posture natural, your spine aligned, and your body supported for all-day comfort. Let's talk design. The breathable mesh backrest promotes constant airflow, preventing that sticky, overheated feeling during long sessions. The adjustable headrest and 3D armrests move in multiple directions, up, down, forward, backward, and side to side, so you can fine-tune every angle to fit your exact sitting style. One of the biggest highlights is the dynamic lumbar system that automatically conforms to your lower back's natural curve, giving continuous support whether you're leaning forward in focus or reclining to relax. Add to that the smooth multi-directional casters, and you've got effortless mobility across any floor type, from hardwood to carpet. The Marsail Office Chair also features a tilt and recline mechanism that lets you switch between upright productivity and comfortable relaxation at the pull of a lever. With its sturdy metal base, Class 3 gas lift, and high-density foam seat, this chair is built to last while offering premium comfort that rivals chairs twice its price. Whether you're setting up a home office, upgrading your workspace, or looking for all-day ergonomic comfort, the Marsail Ergonomic Office Chair delivers on every front. Check out the link in the description to grab yours today, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse, where we review the best gear to make your work smarter and your day better.